Welcome to growing your own food in your own backyard. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the like button. This is harvest time. It is the last day of September and it is now time for me to harvest my carrots that I have grown in a pot. So I have already harvested 3 of my finger-sized carrots. I really like the finger-sized carrots because they're small and sweet. And so now all of my carrots are actually protruding above the soil. So I think it's time to start harvesting. So everything is looking really good. I'm going to go ahead and pull some of these carrots up. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is, wow, look at this. These are finger-sized carrots. These are your finger carrots. There's one, there's another one. Oh, I just got a load of carrots that I am pulling. I just want to make sure I'm pulling the ones that are ready, the ones that are protruding up. I have a whole, there's more finger carrots. There's some more finger carrots, and I'm just going to keep exploring and see which ones are ready to be harvested. Oh, here's some more. There's another one. There's another one. These are the finger-sized carrots. These are all looking good, and I'm not harvesting them all. I just want to make sure that I'm only harvesting the ones that are ready. So I'm going to keep harvesting these afterwards, but as you can see, all my finger-sized carrots I'm harvesting. So this is really exciting. Keep in mind that your carrot greens are edible as well. You can cut them up in salads. And I do love the small baby carrots because they're very sweet to eat. So this is harvest time. Thank you for watching, and be sure to hit the like button.